Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be creating pouring art. As you can see, I already started. I've added the turquoise color for the base. I'm spreading the color with all over the canvas with the palette knife, pouring more in so it be more runny. Here I'm adding the white with red and on top with more turquoise. Now I'm just gonna lift it and tilt it around to move the colors. I just love this part. As you can see, you just move it around. It's so satisfying. You just tilt it and move the colors around. Right, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of white and a blue just to give it a little bit more color in the canvas. Here we're just gonna play around till we get a desired pattern. Guys, do support me, like and subscribe to my channel. Right, now I'm just modifying it a little with the palette knife. It just makes a lot of difference. Guys, if you want to see how I mix my colors, there is a video in my previous videos that I've showed how I mix the colors. This art is so beautiful and easy. I just believe anyone can create this. Do have a try of this and let me know that you did have a try. That's it guys, this is the final look and it come out really beautiful. I'm just loving the colors, how it complements each other. Do let me know how you found this video and have a try at doing this art. Do give feedback in the comment section and see you in my next video. Bye.